Welcome to 13 Hour Times 62 Lego Set Reviews. Set number 30251, Winzar's Pack Patrol. 38 pieces, ages 6 to 12, one minifigure, and retails for about $4 in Target. You have to look for it in the seasonal section. This is the first Legends of Shima set that I review for all of you, so I'm very excited for this. Let's take a look at how to build this now. Look at the polybag itself. It's just like the other Legends of Shima sets. We have the character put in a circle and with their name. And you get a free child ticket to Legoland on the back of the polybag, which is good if you plan to go there. You have 38 pieces in the set, but there are 2 extra pieces. There's a 1x1 translucent red stud and a 1x1 slope piece in gray. Both of these are used towards the back. 2-page instruction booklet, folds out, and there's only 12 steps to making this actual model. You also get a bunch of pictures of the current Shima sets on the back, and there's a little club code for rating it in the top right corner. Let's take a look now at Winzar. He is from the Wolf tribe, and like all Shima figures, he has his own unique printing. Double-sided, and even the head is double-sided. If you can try to look closely, you can see some of the head printing is on the head gear itself. You can see it better when we take off the head, and there are his 2 faces. You also get 1 orb of chi in this set, so look around at this new piece. It's like the outward version of an energy crystal. And here we have the Wolf Pack Patrol itself. It's got the wolf shape with the nose, the eyes, and the mouth looks like it's biting a bone. It's a very nice little snowmobile if you want to get a good Shima set. This is available at Target in the seasonal section, I'll remind you. And it's really not bad for pieces. You get some pretty good pieces in here, and Winzar fits nicely into there. He can hold the handlebars and hold the chi as he's getting away. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.